subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shonazari and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you an amazing way to vanish a playing card. This technique is known as the Tenkai card vanish or the Tenkai card palming. So without any further ado, let's look at the performance. After that we're going to get into the tutorial.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay friends, so this is how you do this card vanishing trick. You're actually going to do a Tenkai palm. The Tenkai palm actually looks like this. So how you are going to do it, that's the main thing. First of all, you're going to pinch over here with your thumb and your index finger, and then you're going to place your middle finger right over here on this point of the card. And then as you push inside with your middle finger, what happens is it causes the card just to rotate and curl inside your palm just like this. And as you do like that, you can see at this point the card is actually vertical to the ground, and as I do like this, it turns horizontal. Now that is the main thing that you need to do. After that, after you have curled the card inside, you're going to move your thumb to the side of the card and you're going to hold it. Then you're going to let all the other fingers go just like this, and that is how you actually vanish the card using this Tenkai palming technique. Now you have seen in my performance that I have vanished the card with my other hand. What I did was I came over here and I kept these fingers closed, and under the cover of these fingers I'm actually also keeping all these fingers closed so that the spectators can't see your fingers moving while you're actually doing the vanish. So I come over here just like this, and then as I pretend to take the card just like this, I immediately do the Tenkai palming very fast, and then I let other fingers go, and it looks like that I have actually crushed the card inside this hand. After that, what I did was I went over here to show my other hand, but I actually placed this card over here, so from the front the spectators won't see the card is actually over here if you actually keep this hand a little bit tilted towards yourself. So after that, I actually showed this hand to the spectator that this hand is empty, and then while coming back, what I did was I again took this card just like this, and after that I did the production. Now to do the production, it's very easy. As you're in this Tenkai palming position, you're going to produce this card like this. So while going up, you're pressing the card just like this to cause a little bit of bending downwards, and then as it bends downwards, you curl in your index finger on the top of the card just like this, and then the middle finger on the bottom of the card just like this. And then as you go down, what you're going to do is you're just going to open these fingers. So from the front, it looks like that the card has actually magically appeared from literally nowhere. So that's how you actually do the production. There's one more vanish that I did using this Tenkai palming technique, was while throwing the card. So actually while throwing the card, what I did was I actually clipped the card between my index finger and my middle finger just like this. And as I pretended to throw the card, what I did was I did on the first time like this, on the second time like this, and on the third time I came over here, I pushed the card over here inside my palm and I grabbed it over here with my thumb. So literally I put it in the Tenkai card palming position. Then I actually did like this. I left the card here and I actually opened up all my fingers. So that's how I actually did that 1, 2, 3. I did that throw vanish. So that was the vanish that I did while throwing the card. And while producing the card back, what I did was I came back like this and I pushed the card down with my thumb, and it started to bend down like this. And then what I did was I curled in my index and my middle finger over here just like this, and then while going out again, I open up these fingers. Also keep in mind, if you're doing the Tenkai vanish with your right hand, then I'm actually turning this side so that the spectators won't see that the card is over here. If I'm doing it with my left hand, I'll be turning this side. So that's how you need to adjust your position. So if you see closely in my performance, as I take the card and I vanish it, I actually turned this side because the card is over here. Now while showing this hand, what I did was I placed the card over here and I turned this side and I showed the card so that the spectators won't see this card is over here. And then again, while going back to show this hand empty, what I did was I came over here just like this, I took the card and again I turned this side. So in this vanish, whichever hand the card is actually palmed in, that side would be turned to your spectator. Also, while doing the throw vanish, I did it with my right hand, so I kept my right side turned towards the spectator just like this. So 1, 2 and 3, just like that. And again what I did to bring it back was just like this. So that's how you actually do this Tenkai card vanish. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to this channel right now if you don't want to continue further in this video. And if you still want to continue further in this video, then still you will be asked to subscribe in the end. So it's better you should subscribe right now. I'm not going to waste your time anymore. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on the Tenkai card vanish or the Tenkai card palming. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @12_Hazari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!